Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to remove the background from your picture and how to upload a picture in the Canva application. Come to the laptop and first of all open the Google Chrome and write the remove the background of the image online free. Click on it and click on the photorome.com. This is the www.photorome.com. Open this one link and scroll down and click on the start from a photo button and select one photo from your folder. Click on it and then click on the open button. The photo will upload here and you can see here Photorome automatically remove the background from your picture. Then finally click on the download button. You can see here, click on it and select the standard resolution option. The download will start. You can see here download has been completed. Click on the folder and you can see here this is your picture without background. You can see I want to upload this one picture on my Canva application. Open the Canva application and then click on the upload option and then click on the upload file option. Click on it and then click on the download option, and this is my downloaded picture without background. And finally click on the open button. You can see here the downloading is started here. Then finally click on the picture and you can see here, and finally click on the picture which one you want to upload on the thumbnail. Click on it and you can see here, and you can easily move this one picture from one place to another place, and you can also minimize and maximize the picture. You can see here where you want to place it. You can easily move from one place to another place. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to remove the background from your picture and how to upload a picture in your Canva application. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.